Hi, I am Nancy Best, and I am at Drake's Landing in Salado, Texas. This is 1330 Logan Drive, and I want to show you what makes this house stand out a little bit different. There are a lot of houses for sale right now, and so knowing some of those little nuances is really important. Let's go inside. Okay, so this house opens up into a nice big living, dining, and then game area. So something that's very different about this floor plan is this area can be used as dining, it can be used as secondary living, or they have used it because they love pool, they love billiards for this gaming table. Now, this gaming table actually conveys. So if you buy this house, you get this table. But it's not just a pool table. I feel like I'm in an infomercial. It is also a ping pong table, and it has a regular top to be a large dining table as well. So it's one of the reasons they're leaving it, because it was custom built for this space, and so it is going to stay with this property. In the kitchen, I really like all of these cabinets. The refrigerator is also conveying. We've got a large breakfast bar, electric cooktop, oven, built-in microwave, and corner pantry. Opens into this more casual dining area. Again, over there you can still have a larger formal dining, and then big living and tons of windows. We have some little puppy friends outside, so we're going to go out there in a minute and we'll let them in. So the primary bedroom is a split arrangement from the secondary bedrooms, so that's nice. It's right off the living. A nice big open area, big windows also to the backyard. And then a long primary bath, got a garden tub, extra large walk-in shower with this great frameless glass, dual sinks, separate water closet, and big walk-in closet with lots of good space in here. I'm pretty organized too. I always have closet jealousy. You can actually just walk out. So now we're going to head actually back to the front of the house where the secondary bedrooms are. This house does have luxury vinyl plank through all the living areas in this wood grain tile, wood grain look. So this hallway, we've got some storage. Ooh, and it is very large, so nice space there. This is bedroom 2. All the bedrooms do have carpet, but the wet areas and main hallways are the luxury vinyl plank. We've got some nice tile in the bathroom. And then bedroom 3, which could also be used as an office. Any bedroom can be used as an office. And let's take a look at that. So nice big closet space in here. Okay, so total square footage on this house is a little over 2,400. It does have 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. So over in this other little alcove hallway area, we've got the laundry room. And let's take a look in there, and it's got a little extra sink prep area. And this is sort of garage, we'll look in there in a minute. And then another full bathroom and bedroom. So you have a bath kind of dedicated to this side for a little bit of an ensuite feel. So now we're going to peek in the garage. So this house has an oversized 3-car garage, which means it is humongous. So you can take a look and see it fits 2 cars. great big golf carts. So another little tip about this neighborhood, it is golf cart friendly, and it's right by the golf course. So you can actually hop in your golf cart, be at the golf course, and play 18 holes of golf like that. Mill Creek actually has 27 holes. It has 3 9-hole courses. So beautiful location for this house. So that is it for the inside. Now we're gonna go out back, but first we have to let our 2 little furry friends in. Come here, Lucy. Hi. Oh, there's Prissy. Come on in. Alright, so that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna try to talk loud. There's been some great things in this backyard. We've got this gazebo with a removable hot tub pad. So there actually is power for a hot tub out here. And of course you have your grill, you can have seating, and you can see there's plenty of room on this side of the yard. And they've gone through, nice covered that porch. Just get out of the wind, enjoy the trees on this lot, and watch the birds. Outdoor is some of my favorite, and they've done a beautiful job. Thank you for spending some time watching this video and this beautiful home. And if you're looking for a home in Salado or any other area in Central Texas, feel free to drop me a message in the comments. Thanks, and have a great day.